Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the TV down and unplugging it so the screen is dark and safe. This reduces streaks and hides fingerprints. Next, grab a clean microfiber cloth and a small spray bottle of distilled water, plus 70% isopropyl alcohol only if oils persist. Lightly mist the cloth, not the screen. Now, place the cloth flat against the surface and prepare to move in controlled motions. Gentle pressure is key to avoid damage. Once the cloth is slightly damp, you wipe in straight overlapping strokes across the screen rather than circles. This prevents streaks and ensures even cleaning. For corners and edges, use a damp cotton swab to lift residue without touching delicate pixels. If oils remain, apply a 1-to-1 mix of distilled water and 70% isopropyl to the cloth and repeat, making sure to use minimal liquid. Make sure to inspect from an angle so you catch any lingering marks. After cleaning, you dry the screen with a clean, dry microfiber cloth using light, even passes until all streaks vanish. If faint streaking persists, repeat the process but reduce moisture and increase the number of gentle strokes rather than pressure. If you notice spots that look like coating damage or discoloration, stop immediately and consult your TV manufacturer's care recommendations. Do not use harsher chemicals. Finally, plug the TV back in and enjoy a clear,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.